Natural light is beautiful until it ruins your comfort. Today in Westlake, we're transforming two spaces overwhelmed by harsh sun and TV glare. In the kitchen, blackout shades with side guides will completely seal off the upper windows, causing that frustrating screen reflection. And in the bedroom, blackout shades will turn a bright, restless space into a calm, dark retreat. Let's show you the difference.
So they're adding blackout shades to this one?
Yeah, blackout for this because they didn't want the glare on the TV. So yeah, to where they didn't want light coming from the sides. So I'm gonna do some side lights for them. Bam. Side guide, we already put one right there next to this window to where they don't get glare. We mark it and then we just give it a cut. And then we want to leave the back piece to where it could keep out as much light as we can. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to cut this. Right up here. To where it's a nice, perfect fit. And then I don't know if we showed them this. And then we use these screws. These screws right here to where the blind don't hit in the inside of the side guide. To where if you have a motorized shade, we would suggest to put one of these in the back to where you never got to charge it, okay? So this is what we sell for solar panels, to where if you have a high window and you can't get to the charger for the motorization.
After installing the blackout shades with side guides, Jacob programs the remote to make sure everything operates smoothly. The result? The sun glare that once made the TV impossible to watch is now completely solved. Next, we move into the master bedroom where the sunlight can be especially harsh during the day. To solve that, we're installing blackout shades using Phifer fabric for maximum light control.
Well, this particular shade is a light filtering shade. So in the areas where it's a living area and stuff like that, they'll have the ability to still have the light filtering factor, but have the privacy, especially at night. And the bedrooms, they match the same cloth with a blackout. So Phifer has a great, they do something great. They have the light filtering sample. It matches the same blackout sample. So the same cloth, the same pattern that you picked, you could pick it in light filter and you could pick it in blackout. And that's super important because then you can have a cohesive home. You can have blackout in your bedroom and you can have light filtering in the areas of like the living area and stuff like that. That's why. This is a Phifer blackout, blackout concrete TB3 color. It's kind of has like almost like a concrete color to it. Look at it real good. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty.
And just like that, the harsh sunlight in the bedroom is dramatically reduced, creating a darker, more comfortable space to relax and sleep. If glare and unwanted light are affecting your home, schedule a free consultation with Camacho Blinds and let us help you find the perfect solution.